Okay, let's look at this problem and see what bar models we need to draw to help us understand what we have to do. A farm has 1,263 chicks and hens. 814 of them are chicks. How many fewer hens than chicks does the shelter have? So I need a bar model. So I'm going to put a C here. We're going to draw some chicks. It says, oh, let me just move that down a little bit. Okay, so what it says, we have 814 chicks. Okay, it says we also have hens, but there are fewer hens. So let's draw some hens, but that bar, if there's fewer, that bar is going to be smaller. And it doesn't tell us how many hens we have, so we don't know. But it does tell me that it knows how much we have of both chicks and hens. So it knows this number. The number we have all together is 1,263. So we don't know how many hens, and we don't know how many fewer hens we have. So we don't know the space from the end of the hens to the end of the chicks. So we're going to draw a little bar there like this, and we don't know B. So we have to find A and B. And since we have the total, when I see a total, I think, oh, in order to find some of the parts, I need to do some subtracting. It's total. I have the biggest number. I need to find one of the smaller numbers. That means I need to do some subtraction. So 1,263. And if I take out the chicks, that will leave me with how many hens we have. 814. Okay, so I am going to subtract. So I'm taking 4 ones from 3 ones. So I'm going to regroup. And that means I'm taking 1 10 away, and I'm going to bring it in as 10 ones. And I already have 3, so that's 13 ones. So I'm going to take 13 minus 4, and that is 9. So I know my 9 trick. I have 5 tens minus 1 10, which is 4 tens. I have 800s, and I need to take it away from 200s. That doesn't work, so I need to regroup and rename. So I'm going to take this 1,000, and that will leave me with 0 thousands. I'm going to change it into 10 hundreds, and I already have 200s. So that'll give me 12 hundreds. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That gives me 400. So I have 449 hens. Okay, 449 hens. Now it wants to know how many fewer hens do I have than chicks. So it's looking for the difference between those two numbers. And I know that difference, when I'm comparing, I'm doing subtraction. So 814 14. I'm comparing it to the 449 to find the difference. So 4, 4, 9. That's going to tell me this space right here. So I can't take 9 ones from 4 ones. I'm going to have to regroup and rename. So that'll leave me with 0 10s. I'm going to take that 10 and bring it over as 10 ones. So that'll give me 14. So 14 minus 9 is 5. I can't take 4 10s from 0, so I'm going to take 100 away and make that 7, and I'm going to change that into 10 10s. And I know how to make groups of 10, so I know 4 and 6 gives me 10, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So it's telling me I have 365 more chicks than hens. So this is 365. So if I look at this, this and this should equal this. So let's do a check. 4, 4, 9 plus the 365. 9 plus 5 is 14. That makes 10 plus 1 is 11. And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 14. Yep. So my check works.